Ang tagal na po na naghihintay ng taong bayan ng kasagutan ng ating Vice Presidente. And even us, the 11 prosecutors, are looking forward to see the answers of the Vice President to this allegation of offenses. So for us, itong araw na ito, finally, makikita na natin ang kasagutan ng ating Vice Presidente. Let us recall that during the Justice Committee proceeding, wala po tayong nakuhang responsive answer to the allegations of offenses. Those which were alleged in their answer are all constitutional issues which are still pending before the Supreme Court, no? Ang gusto po sana namin, which I believe ito rin ang inaasahan ng taong bayan, yung mismong kasagutan sa usapin ng threat, kasagutan sa usapin ng misuse of confidential fund, kasagutan dito sa usapin ng unexplained wealth and non-disclosure to SALN, at yung kasagutan din sa usapin ng bribery. Ang gusto po sana natin, answer which respond directly, totoong tumutugon sa mga aligasyon na nilalaman ng articles of impeachment. And we believe na maging ang taong bayan ay matagal nang hinihintay ang kasagutan ng Vice Presidente.
Alright. Nung 19th Congress po kasi, sabi nyo nga po kanina, almost similar po yung complaint nung 19th Congress at saka ngayong 20th Congress. Does that mean, are you expecting a different answer from the camp of the Vice President?
We are hoping for a different answer, no? Kung babalikan nyo yung answer dun sa first impeachment complaint 19 Congress at saka yung answer sa Justice Committee dito sa current impeachment process, hindi na nagkakalayo. All issues of due process, constitutional questions, no? This time around, we are hoping na finally makita natin ano ang paliwanag ng Vice Presidente sa mga aligasyon na noon pang 19th Congress ay hinihintay na ng taong bayan.
What if ganun pa rin po ang response, questioning the process, the impeachment process in the House of Representatives? Ano pong magiging tugon nyo po? I-maximize nyo po rin po ba yung...
Them can decide what defense they will raise to the allegations of offenses, no? And our reaction to that will be to respond by way of reply to their answer and look forward to the conduct of the pre-trial conference and ultimately trial. Ang matagal na pong hinihintay ng taong bayan ay ang makita ang bawat ebidensya na sumusuporta sa mga aligasyon laban sa Vice Presidente, at ito naman po ay mandato ng konstitusyon. So I hope magtuloy-tuloy na po at dumating na po tayo sa presentation of evidence, which is the meaning of trial. Pag sinabi natin pong trial, ilalatag na ang mga ebidensya. And on the basis of the presentation of that evidence, of course, the senator judges will be rendering judgment. And by judgment, dalawa lang po yan. It's either conviction or acquittal. Our rule does not provide for remand. Our rule does not provide for dismissal. Our rule does not provide for clarification. Dalawa lamang po ang nakasaad sa rules of impeachment ng Senado. It is either conviction or acquittal, wala na pong iba.
Hanggang sa June 8, i-maximize nyo po ba yung
I
deadline?
am inclined to file the reply until Friday. We're given 5 days from receipt of answer. So if today the answer will be received, the 5th day is supposed to be Saturday. And under the rule, if it is weekend or holiday, it should be the next working day. So ang 5th day namin or last day should be Monday, no? Monday next week, no?